Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Tesla Model 3 trunk cover. We will go through the steps for safely detaching the interior trunk lid panel, which is often needed for accessing various components. Then, we will cover how to remove the trunk sill trim, the important piece located at the trunk's opening. Finally, I will show you how to easily take out the trunk floor trim, providing access to the storage area beneath. First, let's tackle the trunk lid trim. Begin by fully opening your trunk to ensure clear access. Next, carefully use a plastic pry tool to release the clips, starting from the upper corners and working your way around the entire perimeter. There are typically 11 clips holding this panel securely in place. Once all clips are released, gently disconnect the electrical harness from the trunk switch located on the trim piece. Now, let's move on to removing the trunk sill trim. This is the long, protective piece located at the very opening of your trunk. To remove it, gently pull the corner of the trim upwards with steady pressure. You will hear the first clip release. Continue to carefully pull upwards along the entire length of the trim to release all the remaining clips that secure it to the vehicle body. Finally, we'll remove the trunk floor trim. This is the large, flat panel that forms the primary bottom surface of your trunk space. Simply lift this trim piece straight up to remove it completely from the vehicle. This straightforward step provides easy access to the subtrunk storage area or any other components located beneath the main trunk floor, making maintenance or cleaning much simpler.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.